Supports 2280 length M.2 SSD. 5mm low profile height to work around tight spaces. Cross-cut aluminum alloy fins for optimal heat dissipation. Works on motherboards or M.2 adapters. Easy installation with thermal pads. Low profile with 5mm height. Compatible with PS5 M.2 NVMe Storage upgrade. Heat-resistant silicone rings included to secure heat sinks. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent heat transfer, dissipation best with fan airflow. I had an M.2 NVMe PCIe 4.0 drive that was behind the motherboard and temperature were reporting in the 70s. I didn't measure if this was affecting performance, but I wanted to cool it regardless. My chassis has a cutout for rear motherboard access and there was enough room for this slim heatsink. When I assembled it and powered on the machine, the heatsink was just as hot as the drive to the touch, so heat transfer is great. However, the heat would just sit on the heatsink and drive temperatures didn't improve. As soon as there was a small amount of airflow, the drive temperature would drop. However, airflow on the back of the motherboard is hard to achieve in my chassis. Good product. Best served with active airflow.